guys doing today? I am in a little bit of a summer vibe. Got the bandana with the summer dress on, so don't mind me. I'm just here to show you how to cook, okay? Because this Italian mamacita loves to cook. Now, something that you guys, I'm so excited for this. So you guys have probably seen, I have a few videos out. One is like one of my top viewed videos on how to make cauliflower crust pizza. Okay, to be honest, I love making it, but it is a mess. It is a hassle. It's just a disaster, and honestly, people don't want to do that. And yes, it could be hard because when you're making it plant-based and gluten-free and etc., you know, like, it's harder to get it to bind together. And so if you don't have the time or the patience, or you don't want to clean up that whole mess, look what I got. I am so excited. I got these cauliflower pizza crust, and it's a thin crust and it's plant-based. So it's already done for me. It's from Cali'Flour Foods. And I'm so excited to work with them because they're gluten-free, they're vegan, they have plant-based, and if you're not plant-based, don't worry. They have regular, and they have different seasonings, different styles, so you have to check out their website. I've had this before because my friend let me try it, and I fell in love with the crust. So this is what it looks like. There's 2 in a box, so it comes in like this paper. And I'm letting it defrost like a little bit. You want to keep them frozen. Now, there's so many different ways and so many different toppings you can add to your pizza. Like, I've done so many different things. I'm thinking one time I want to try like a tofu crumble. One time I want to try like a tempeh crumble, or jackfruit, like a shredded chicken, veggies. The last one that me and my friend made actually was garbanzo beans on top with a red sauce, and oh my god, it was so good. So there's so many different things you can do, but like I said, this is from Cali'Flour Foods, and once I make this, you're gonna want to get some. Now, if you understand how it is to make these crusts and the process and the cleanup and the mess, like when you make your own cauliflower crust and sometimes it doesn't stay together, etc., etc., it's a pain in the butt. So like I said, that in the beginning is because why I'm telling you that, like, hold on, I have a point here, is because these crusts, you might be like, oh, that's a little bit pricey for crust, but it comes already ready for you, and the ingredients are top quality ingredients, like cauliflower, almond flour, which is really expensive in the stores, flax meal, olive oil, tapioca starch, garlic, pink Himalayan sea salt, and nutritional yeast. That's it. That's all the ingredients. It's crazy. And yeah, I really don't even need to say any more besides the fact that I'm about to make this, and Chef T is about to get up in the kitchen. So you guys can take a look. Let me show you what I'm going to use. Okay, so usually I make my own sauce from scratch, but I just wanted to try this one, which is not even a pizza sauce, like it's a pasta sauce, and I want to see how it's going to taste on my pizza. So this one is an organic tomato basil pasta sauce, no sugar added. So when I don't make my own sauce from scratch, because that's a whole nother process, I get one that's like either organic, like this one, all natural and no added sugars, because you guys, a lot of the sauces, they pour in sugar, salt, loaded with sodium, and all this other stuff that you really don't need. Then I'm going to use sliced mushrooms, the crimini mushrooms, because they are better for you, more flavor. I'm going to use some spinach, because your girl loves her baby spinach, some onion, and of course garlic. Like an Italian's family, if you don't use garlic more than like 4 to 5 cloves, you're not Italian, okay? Then I copped this steel at Trader Joe's. It is almond mozzarella style shreds. So, and it melts great. I've tried a few different cheeses that are like, you know, fake cheese, like not fake cheese, but just dairy-free alternative, like made with almond. And some of them don't melt that great, and some of them have too much stuff in it. And I've tried this one before, and it's really, really good. It tastes really good, and the ingredients are really good, and the calories are really good. See, I look at all that stuff. You gotta look at everything. You can't just grab and go. You gotta look, okay, you guys? So, these are what I'm gonna be using, and of course, like some seasonings and stuff, so I'm probably gonna saute everything. This has to go in the oven first for a little bit, then we're gonna pull it out, add our toppings, put that baby back in, and then eat the entire thing, because that's what your girl does, okay? Alright, so if I end up adding anything else in the process, you'll see, but other than that, let's get started. Yo girl is hot. And let me tell you guys, it is hard to cook in a kitchen with the oven on when it's like 100 degrees outside. But do you guys, let me just fix myself real quick. I don't notice what I'm looking like when I'm cooking. Do you guys see this? Because your girl threw it down. I decided to do garbanzo beans on top instead of jackfruit and instead of tofu or tempeh, because I already had tofu today. It's really hot right now, but I'm still going to do the taste test for you guys because I always do, and this is amazing and you guys need this in your life. So I'm probably going to burn the top of my tongue because that's what I always do. But this is the pizza, and oh my god, I really wish you guys can all try this right now. But it's about to go down. My heart is so happy. My taste buds are so happy. I am so happy. Holy moly. You guys, this is so good. I literally can't even express it to you because I'll probably just end up moaning in front of the camera for 10 minutes on how good it is. Oh my god. There is heaven sent right there. I can't wait to go eat all this right now. My camera is about to die and I just saw it is flashing. So I have to tell you guys, please give this a try. Show me your pictures, show me your recipes. I love to see it all. Tag me. I'll put my food page right here, Natural Built Bodies, and I'll put my main Instagram right here, TBABYLOVE 2. And tag me, DM me, send me your pictures. I guess that's the easiest way I've been getting them, is through DMs on my food page or my Instagram. And please, serious inquiries only when you're sending me food pictures or asking about recipes, etc. Or drop a comment down here below, and you can also send it to my email, which is always down in the description. I will also put this where I got these I am a Cali girl, cauliflower crust pizzas from that are absolutely amazing, and my code so you guys can get a discount because they are, you know, quality over quantity is what I tell you guys all the time. Alright, before this dies, I love you all and I'll see you on my next video.